For this unit, make sure you guys understand how to plot points. It will help so much. So we've got quadrant 1 right here, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Notice here that we've got like a positive x, positive y, negative x, positive y, and so on and so forth. So I just wanted to show you guys a couple examples of plotting points. So our red point, we've got 3, 2. Remember, you always go over first and then go up. So I'm going to go over 3 and then up 2. So my red point will be right there. For yellow, I've got -2, -1. So I'm going to go to the left 2 because that's negative, and then I'm going to go down 1. So there's my yellow point. Next up will be my blue point. So I'll have 4, 3. So I'm going to go to the right 4 because it's positive, and then I'm going to go down 3. So it's going to be right here. So I'm going down because it's negative. And then last up, we've got our green point. So we've got -4, -6. Okay, so -4 and then -6 will land me right here. So make sure you guys know how to plot points. If you need any help with that, please let me know.